Hi there, and a very warm and sincere welcome to a totally sweet, delightful, and for once truly Christmassy math puzzle. We hope you enjoy this festive challenge. I'm giving you 3 pieces of mathematical information here, and I want to know from you what number Rudolf the reindeer stands for. Pause the video and try to see if you can figure it out on your own. And if not, don't worry, I'll of course solve it right away and show you how I got there. I just started at the beginning, that gives a little something away, and I said these penguins, if I add them, penguin plus penguin plus penguin, well, then I can also just say I have the penguin 3 times here. And if 3 times the penguin is 12, then I simply separate into equal parts by 3. And get 1 penguin, and 12 divided by 3 is, of course, 4. That means I was able to deduce the penguin immediately from the first piece of information. And of course, I can now write a 4 instead of the penguin everywhere in the second and third lines in each case. Then the whole thing gets a bit easier, and I see in the second line that the penguin minus this little elf, and again minus the little elf, equals 3. So I could also summarize and say 4 minus twice the little elf equals 3, and then I can already guess what the little elf must be. 4 minus 1 is 3. So twice the little elf must equal 1, and the little elf must accordingly be 0.5. Mathematically speaking, I would have said, I'll move the 4 over here. Then instead of the 3 over there, I would have a minus 1, and then I would have divided by minus 2. Then the minus 2 would have been gone from the elf on the left side, and minus 1 divided by minus 2 is of course 1/2, so 0.5. And with this knowledge, we go to the last piece of information, we cancel the little elf and write 0.5 for it. And now you have to calculate 4 divided by 0.5. That's perhaps the most challenging part of this puzzle. How many times does 0.5 fit into 4? Oh yes, 8 times. That means 4 divided by 0.5 is 8, and 8 plus Rudolf the reindeer is 10. That means we know if we subtract the 8 now, move it to the other side, then Rudolf the reindeer is alone on the left side, and 10 minus 8, that makes 2. That means we know our little Rudolf the reindeer, the one we didn't know, has the value of 2, and as you can see, that's how you can wrap systems of equations from mathematics into cute stories. I've done the same thing before. You can take a look at that for practice with fruit, which is also a nice one. Or if you like the Christmas theme and this was way too easy for you, then take a look up there. A non-linear system of equations with Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus as the unknowns. Have fun with that, have a wonderful Christmas season, and see you soon.